I'm Danielle, the author and illustrator of Moose Mischief, a pancake surprise. And on the Moose Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today I will show you how to make this bat. And what's really cool is it has candy inside. Bats are nocturnal, which means they are active at night. To get around in the dark, they use their ears more than their eyes in a process called echolocation. Bats make a high frequency noise, and depending on how that sound wave bounces back to them, they can figure out the distance and size of nearby objects. This allows them to find prey and fly around without banging into things. I wish I had that skill. Ouch! I stubbed my toe again. Okay, let's get started making your own bat. Here's what you need. 2 pieces of black felt and white felt, bobble eyes, a black marker, scissors, a snack bag with Halloween candy, black ribbon, a hole punch, a paper towel roll, glue, and the bat template from my website, moosemischief.com. Let's get started! For the first step, cut the paper towel roll in half. Wrap the felt around the paper towel roll. Then cut off the excess felt. Now glue the felt onto the paper towel roll. For the next step, we will give our bat ears. So squish your paper towel roll together like this. Now take your scissors and cut out a half moon, just like this. And now your bat has nice pointy ears. Let's glue the top together. And squeeze. Now our bat needs wings so it can fly. Grab the bat template and cut out the wing. Just follow that dotted line. I know on the template it looks like 1 wing, but it's actually 2 wings. We're just going to attach it to the bat just like this, and so we'll have 2 wings. But first we need to trace the bat's wings onto the felt and cut it out. Let's cut it out. Glue on your wings. Now it can fly away and scare people. Let's give our bats some eyes so it can see. Some people think that bats are blind, but that's simply not true. They can see very well. So glue on the bobble eyes. Ooh, he looks so cute. And we'll also give our bat some fangs, because bats have teeth too. Draw 2 small triangles onto the white felt. These will become the fangs. Let's cut them out. Glue them onto your bat. He looks so spooky and scary. Ooh, it's Halloween! So this bat is intended to be a party favor, so let's put some candy inside for our guests. So put some Halloween candy in a snack bag, fold it in half, and stick it inside the bat. Grab your hole punch, and then you will punch 2 holes at the bottom of your paper towel roll. So now I have 2 holes. One's right here, and one's right here. So take out some black ribbon and lace it through the 2 holes. We will tie the bottom of our bat together with a bow so that the candy doesn't fall out. So now your bat's all ready for your Halloween party favor, or you can hand them out at the door when kids come trick-or-treating. You can also bring it to school and give it to your friends or teacher. You can give it as a gift to anyone. You can keep it for yourself too. I had so much fun making this bat with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please check out my book, Moose Mischief, a pancake surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the very best chef. But is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.